Hi guys, this is Chika with borrowdelights.com, and today I'm going to share with you how to make oven roasted chicken legs. For the seasoning blend, I'm using salt, black pepper, Cajun seasoning blend, thyme, parsley, curry powder, Old Bay seasoning, and some paprika. You're going to add all of your spices to your chicken and give it a toss to make sure that every single piece of chicken is fully coated with the seasoning blend. And of course, you'll want to make sure that you've cleaned your chicken and trimmed off any excess fat. And if you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for checking out this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you are notified when new recipes are uploaded. And as well, be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You're going to place your chicken into your baking dish in an even layer, and this is going to bake at 400 for 40 minutes. And you'll want to turn your chicken pieces halfway through the cooking process. These chicken drumsticks were so moist and juicy. You can serve them with potatoes and vegetables, or even with fried rice, which is what I ended up doing for the evening. So I hope you guys will enjoy making this recipe. Please let me know how it turns out for you. And if you have any questions as well, please leave those all in the comment section below. As always, you'll be able to find the exact written instructions by visiting borrowdelights.com. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!